Aloha everyone, my name is Kyra Santos. I'm an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories, rocking my beautiful, gorgeous paparazzi jewelry here. Coming at you with another video to help us out with the Paparazzi Premier website. So I'm going to be going over in detail how we actually receive our orders and how we put our inventory into our Paparazzi Premier website. Stay tuned. So first off, we received our order right here from Paparazzi Accessories in our beautiful pink box. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our box. We're going to go through our inventory to make sure everything checks out great. So go ahead and match up your inventory, make sure nothing is broken, and make sure that you have all the correct pieces. Once you do that, the next step is to go ahead and prep them for their codes. Now, everybody has a different system, whether you just use numbers, you use letters, or alphanumeric, it's totally up to you. You can even use words or the actual name. Now, in Paparazzi Premier, this is known as the item number. Basically, when your customers place an order or you're selling on your live, you'll know where to pull that jewelry based on the item number, and you can fulfill your customer's order. So for my system, I use protector sheets, and they already have these number codes on them already. Now, based on the type of item they are, that's on your own system as well, whether you sort them by color, metals, or basically by types of jewelry, all bracelets, all rings, all necklaces, it's up to you. For my Paparazzi Premier site, I'm using mainly numbers, and they all are sorted based on the actual color. I mainly took all my Hostess rewards and was able to sort them and prep them to be uploaded right into the system. So now I'm being able to receive my orders the same exact way. So I have all my sheets ready, and once again, these codes are based on the colors. So I have this one up here, which is brass, so it's going to be 682. So now I only bought two. Now I have two of these hoop earrings, and they will be coded 682, and the quantity will be 2. Let's show it in the system to see exactly what it looks like. Let's go to receiving. So on the top left, go ahead and click the hamburger lines, or that button right there. Click on receiving, and here you'll see all your orders that you received. And I saved a lot for demonstrating purposes, but go ahead and look for the order number that you have. So in this case, 299-42081, and it's going to be this one. So the pieces that we're looking at, I've already prepped and have codes to it. So let's start with the first one, Park Avenue A-Lister in pink. I actually got 2 necklaces for that one, so I'm going to click that one. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and enter my actual number code for it, and that's going to be 1489. So click on the item number 1489 and click update. This next one is your purple oil spill bracelet. 1224, update. Class Cave in black. 189, update. Gold earrings. 885, update. And this necklace, 190, update. So click receive order. That's correct. We won't be able to add any additional items to this order. I do wish to proceed, so I'm going to click OK. And now if I actually go to my website or my inventory, I'll be able to see that any of these pieces I just added in is in. So I'm just going to type a number code, 189, search. That should be for the 2 bracelets, and it's going to be right there, the Classy Cave in black. I can search by the name as well. So that red necklace right there, it was I Can Seed Clearly Now. I Can Seed Clearly Now in red, but that will be just fine right there, clearly. And I'm just going to search, and there you go. I got 3 necklaces like that. So it's really cool the way they operate and do this system. So wasn't that simple? I was able to show you all the preparatory steps before you actually uploaded all those pieces in there. One of the great benefits of Paparazzi Premier is that the orders actually talk with your Paparazzi website. So when you place orders and you buy that wholesale jewelry, it talks and is connected with Premier. So being able to just simultaneously input all those pieces right into your website is just truly amazing. Now, remember, as long as you ordered the pieces, you can automatically collect payment for any of the pieces that you sell. That's why it's a great thing. So you don't necessarily have to wait for this box to arrive, and you don't necessarily have to physically put the codes in. You can actually use generic codes for your item number and put them in so they're available to your customers as soon as you actually place the order. Now, when you receive your box, you can go ahead and update the codes, or even if you had the same codes based on when you received the order, it's all up to you and how you want to work your system. So keep it simple, and I hope this really helped you out and understand how easy and simple it is to upload your pieces into your Premier website. Well, I hope this video helped you out. If you're interested in joining Paparazzi Accessories and joining the Shine with Aloha team, please connect with me. You can reach me through email at shinewithaloha@gmail.com or on Facebook and Instagram. Click on the description for more contact information. I look forward to having you on my team. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn the notification bell on so you get notified when I post the next video. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Aloha.